بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطالبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضات لغات، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم سنتناول درس جديد في مادة الجبر. طبعا مادة الجبر مادة مهمة جدا. الدرس بعنوان نظرية ذات الحدين. كانت في مشكلة كمان موجودة في ازاي تجيب القوس او البراكت باور 3 باور 4 باور 5. النظرية ديت خلقت لنا حلول كتيرة جدا في الحياة. طبعا كان من الصعب جدا انك انت تجيب براكت كونتينز او قوس متكون من حدين او 3 حدود، بس الباور بتاعها او القوس بتاعها اكتر من 3، زي باور 4 باور 5 باور 10 باور 11 باور 100 باور 200. النظرية ديت نظرية ذات الحدين حلت مشاكل كتير جدا جدا عشان تقدر تجيب مجموعة حلول للبراكت او القوس الباور بتاعه اكتر من 3. Welcome my dear student in our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking the new lesson in algebra. It's called, or its title, binomial theorem. Binomial theorem solve our problems in our life. My dear student, we can solve bracket for all power 2 has 3 terms. We can solve bracket has power 3 4 terms, power 5 terms. But how to find the terms contains bracket contains 2 terms for all power 100 power 200? This we find it in binomial theorem. Look at, my dear student, introduction about binomial theorem. My dear student, if x and a belongs to R, n is any positive integer, then number 1, x plus a for all power n. What's the meaning? N belongs to z, positive, negative, 0, equals n c0 x power n plus n c1 x power n minus 1 times a plus n c2 x n minus 2 a power 2 and so on to general n c r or last term x power n minus r a power n. What you mean? This is called binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, my dear student, we have bracket contains x plus a for all power n. N combination 0, x power subtract n minus 0 n, also a power 0 1. This form is called binomial theorem. To reach NCN, a power n, x minus a for all power n, my dear student, equals x plus negative a for all power n. By the same method, nc0 x power a nc1 x n minus 1 multiply negative a power 1 and so on to reach ncn negative a for all power 2. nc0 equals x power n plus nc1 x minus 1 a to reach ncn a power n. Solved problem. By using binomial theorem, expand x plus y for all power 2. This is easy. From prep school to find x plus y for all power 2, first power 2 plus second power 2 plus first times second times 2, 3 terms. Also x plus 2 for all power 3 has 4 terms. Solution: x plus a for all power 2 by binomial theorem, 2c0 a power 0 x power 2 plus 2c1 a1 x power 1 plus 2c2 a power 2 x power 0 has 3 terms. Then answer is x power 2 plus 2xa plus a square. X plus 2 for all power 3 by using binomial theorem, 3z0 2 power 0 second power 0 first power 3 3c1 2 power 1 x power 2 plus 3c2 2 power 2 x power 1 plus 3c3 2 power 3 x power 0 has 4 terms. Then x plus 2 for all power 3 equals x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 12x plus 8. By using binomial theorem, expand x minus 1 for all power 5, number 1. Number 2, bracket continues to x minus 3 for all power 4. My dear student, remember we have bracket contains x minus 1 for all power 5, we have 6 terms. Also, we have bracket continues to x minus 3 for all power 4, we have 5 terms. Solution. The first x minus 1 for all power 5 equal 5c0 negative 1 power 0 x power 5 plus 5c1 second power 1 first power difference between 5 minus 1 4 plus 5c2 negative 1 power 2 x power 3 plus 5c3 negative 1 power 3 x power 2 plus 5c4 negative 1 power 4 x power 1 plus 5c5 negative 1 power 5 x power 0. Therefore, x minus 1 for all power 5 equal x power 5 negative 5x power 4 plus 10x power 3 negative 10x power 2 plus 5x negative 1. How many terms? 6 terms. If we have bracket contains x minus 1 for all power 5, then we have 6 terms. Second, if we have 2x minus 3 for all power 4, how many terms, my dear student? Excellent student, 5 terms. By using binomial theorem, 2x power 4 minus 4c1, 3 power 1, 2x power 3 plus 4c2, 3 power 2, 2x power 2, negative 4c3, 3 power 3, 2x power 1 plus 3 power 4. Then we deduce that 2x minus 3 for all power 4 equals 16x power 4 minus 96x power 3 plus 216x power 2 negative 216x plus 81. 5 terms. Evaluate 1.02 or 1.02 for all power 10 approximated to 3 decimal. My dear student, we have decimal number 1.02 for all power 10. How to evaluate? By using binomial theorem into and approximated into 3 decimals number. My dear student, 1.02 equals what? 1 plus 0.02. Look at by using binomial theorem. 1.02 for all power 10 equals what? X instead is all number plus decimal number. What is the all? 1. What is the decimal? 0.02 for all power 10. Then by using binomial theorem, 1 power 10 equals 1 and take 10c1 second power 1, first power 9, 1 power 9 equals 1. Then write 10C2, 0.02 for all power 2, 10C3 times 0.02 for all power 3, and so on to reach 10C10. Answer is 1 plus 0.2, 0.018 plus 0.00096. Answer is 1.21896. Approximation to decimal, 3 decimal, 1.219. This number, by using binomial theorem, 1.219. Evaluate, my dear student, 0.99 for all power 5 approximated to 4 decimal places. My dear student, 0.99 equals what? 1 minus x and student 0.1. Look at the solution. 0.99 for all power 5, 1 minus 0.01 for all power 5. By using binomial theorem, 1 power 5, 1 minus 5c1 multiply 0.01 for all power 1 plus 5c2 multiply 0.01 for all power 2 minus 5c3 multiply 0.01 for all power 3 plus and so on. Calculate 1 minus 0.05 plus 0.01 plus 0.0001. Answer is 0.95099. If we find 1 minus 0.05 plus 0.001 plus 0.001, answer is 0.95099. But we have 5 decimal place. Then approximation to nearest 4 decimal place, answer is 0.9510. Approximation to nearest 4 decimal place. Now, my dear student, we translate two important examples. In expansion of 3x power 2 plus 1 over x for all power 10, find T5 and T9. My dear student, how many terms in this expansion? We have 11 terms. Why? Because power 10, number of terms n plus 1. T5 and T9, how to find? Look at the solution. T5, 10C4, second power 4, first power 10 minus 4. 10C4 by using calculator, x power negative 4, 3 power 6, x power 12. Find summation of x. We have numbers 10C4 times 3 power 6. And we have symbol or variable x power negative 4 times x power 12. Therefore, T5 equals, by using calculator, 10C4, 10 combination 4 times 3 power 6, answer is 153,090. X power 8. Why? X power negative 4 times x power 12 equal x power 8. This is T5. What is the T9? NCR N10 CR C8 Y second power 8 first power difference between 10 and 8 2. Then T9 became 10C8 second power 8 first power 2. Then T9 became 10C8 x power negative 8 3 power 2 x power 4. By using calculator, find 10C8 equal 10C2 multiply 3 power 2 x power negative 4. Answer is 405 x power negative 4. Look at another example. In expansion of 3x minus 2 over 3x for all power 15, find T7 coefficient of T12. My dear student, an expansion for all power number n. General rule TR plus 1 equals NCR second power R first power n minus R. Look at, my dear student, in this example, there is difference between find the term and the coefficient of the term. Find the term, we find the coefficient multiply a variable of x or any variable, x, y, z. But coefficient, by using calculator, find the number only. My dear student, look at solution of this example. T7. What is the meaning of T7? Term number 7. 15C6. Why? T7 represent general term TR plus 1. R6. NCR. N equal 15. R equal 6. 15C6. Second negative 2 over 3x for all power 6, first 3x for all power 9. Then, my dear student, we have x power negative 6 and x power 9. We find the value of x and the value of the coefficient. T7 equal 15C6 negative 2 power 6. 3 power negative 6, x power negative 6, 3 power 9, x power 9. Then, by using calculator, we find negative 2 power 6 multiply 3 power negative 6 times 3 power 9. Answer is 8,648,640, and we find like terms x power 9 times x power negative 6 equal x power 3. This is T7. But T12, NCR. What is the N? 15. What is the R? 11. Second power 11. First power 15 minus 11, 4. Then we distribute power among each term. Then T12 became 15C11 negative 2 for all power 11, 3 for all power negative 11 times x power negative 11 times 3 power 4 x power 4. We use calculator to find the value of coefficient. Then T12 equals negative 1278.24417 x power negative 7. What is the coefficient, my dear student? Coefficient is negative 1278.24417. Find the coefficient of T6 and expansion of 3 over x minus y over 2 for all power 10. We have bracket contains 3 over x minus y over 2 for all power 10. What is required, my dear student? Find the coefficient of T6. Solution. We know that T6 equal 8C5, second power 5, first power 8 minus 5, 3. Then T6 equals negative 8C5, y power 5, 2 power negative 5, 3 power 3, x power negative 3. My dear student, by using calculator and calculate two coefficient of the term, T6 equal negative 189 over 4, y power 5, x power negative 3. The coefficient of T6, we take negative 189 over 4. My dear student, look at important rules. X plus a for all power n plus x minus a for all power n equals T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 to so on. The first expansion, the second T1 minus T2 plus T3 minus T4 and so on. We have, my dear student, two brackets. The first bracket x plus a for all power n. The second bracket x minus a for all power n. Look at the sign of the first bracket is positive. The sign of the second bracket is negative. The first bracket powers the terms, how many terms? n plus 1. T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 and so on to n plus 1 terms. The second term or the second bracket contains T1 minus T2 plus T3, negative, positive, positive, negative, and so on. When we add the first and the second, we reduce that x plus a for all power n plus x minus a for all power n equals 2 times odd terms T1 plus T3 plus T5 plus T7 and so on. But x plus a for all power n minus x minus a for all power n equal twice even terms by the same method. T1 plus T3 2 plus T3 plus T4 minus T1 inside bracket minus T2 plus T3 minus T4 and so on. Answer is 2 multiply even numbers. 2 T2, T3, T4, T6 and so on. Expand. X plus root 2 for all power 4 plus x minus root 2 for all power 4. Look at the two brackets are same but difference between them the sign. First positive, second negative. And the sign between them is positive. What is the rule, my dear student? Look at the solution. This first bracket for all power 4. Second bracket for all power 4. The sign is positive. Then we use twice the odd terms. If we have bracket contains power n, power 4, how many terms? 4 plus 1 equal what? Equals 5. Then we have T1, T3, T5. Multiply 2 equals what? 2 times T1 x power 4, T3 4C2 root 2 for all power 2 x power 2. T5 by using root 2 for all power 4, the last term. Then answer is 2 multiply bracket contains x power 4 plus 12x power 2 plus 4. My dear student, look at the important example. If x plus 2 for all power 5 minus x minus 2 for all power 5 equals 64, find the value of x. Look at by using the rule solution. What you mean x plus 2 for all power 5 minus, remember, difference between two brackets, x plus 2 for all power 5 minus x minus 2 for all power 5 equals 64, even odd, excellent, even number, equals what? 2 times 2 t2 plus t4 plus t6 equals 64, divided left hand side right hand side by 2. Then t2 plus t4 plus t6 equals 32. What is the t2, my dear student? 5c1 2 power 1 x power 4, t4 5c3 2 power 3 x power 2, t6 2 power 5, t4 t2 plus t4 plus t6. Then left hand side equal 32. By using calculator, find f 5c1 times 2 10, x power 4 5c3 equal 5c2 equal 5 times 4 over 2 times 1 equals 32, minus 80 x2 plus 32 2 power 5 minus 32. Then we deduce that equation by using highest common factor 10x power 2 multiply x power 2 plus 8 equals 0. What is the value of x, my dear student? In this case, 10x squared equals 0, then x equals 0, or x squared plus 8 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0 or x equals x power 2 negative 8 equals what? If used. My dear student, by the end of the lesson, we know what is the most useful of binomial theorem. Binomial theorem is used in our life, very important lesson. My dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Thank you. Goodbye.